Now there's a question someone asks: can you use baby wipes on your face? Yes, occasionally. If you're traveling, after exercising, or don't have access to water, baby wipes can help remove sweat and surface dirt, but it's not meant to be used as your permanent facial cleanser. All right, you cannot replace it as a proper facial cleanser because they don't effectively remove sunscreen, makeup, excess oil, or pollutants. And regular use of baby wipes may leave residue that can contribute to clogged pores or irritation on some skin. All right, if not many, some. All right, so if you have acne prone skin or oily skin, or you have a sensitive skin like Micky, it's best to go for a gentle facial cleanser. That's actually much a better choice. And you can also go for a wipes. I will put the wipes on the screen, which you can actually go get. It's really nice. It comes in anti-aging form as well, so you get wipes, not baby wipes. And there are different wipes suitable for different needs. There is glycolic, salicylic acid wipes, niacinamide. It depends, but it's suitable for targeted areas where you want to treat, so the wipes also help. All right, and a proper facial cleanser remains the best daily cleansing option if you're meant to wipe your face. Bye guys.